Hello, Samai. In this video I'd like to introduce you to this Optomap machine here, which is the latest technology that takes a really in-depth scan of the back of the eye, allows us then to give you a much more detailed health examination of the back of the eye. We now recommend it as part of your routine sight test here. And if you are watching this video in March 2020, we're donating everything from the Optomap this month to the Guide Dogs for the Blind charity, which we believe is a fantastic cause. So I'll give you a quick demonstration how this works, and then I'll show you the results in the consulting room. So here it goes. Very simple. A line up with the target, and then bright flash, that image is taken. We'll go through and have a look at the results now. So that picture's been done, quick and easy. Let's have a look at the results. I'll give you a brief explanation on screen here what the Optomap shows us. So, in a nutshell, this is a scan, so a 3D view of the back of my left eye, which we've just taken. So this is the image we now get of the back of the eye. My lashes are actually getting in the way, bottom and top, but it pretty much shows the whole of the inside of the eye. Whereas with a normal sight test, with a normal photograph of the back of the eye looking through the pupil, that's roughly how much a standard picture would show us. And we'd probably struggle to see a lot more than that in a normal sight test looking through your pupil as well. Whereas as you can see with the Optomap, we see an awful lot more. So we can see right to the outside of the retina, to the inside, and then we can actually zoom in on the important structures at the back of the eye, like the optic nerve here, and assess with different sort of filters, different layers of the retina. Thankfully, this looks pretty healthy, and in most cases the Optomap just reassure us and you, the patient, that everything is normal and healthy. But in some cases will show signs of general health changes like blood pressure, diabetes, cholesterol, as well as specific eye health conditions like your macular degeneration, glaucoma, and retinal tears and detachments, to name a few. One real-life example of how the Optomap works really well is this photograph here. So this gentleman came in without any real symptoms, just a normal routine sight test, and first glance looks a fairly normal, healthy photograph, healthy retina. But if we do zoom in and work ourselves to the outside, the temporal retina, we see a suspected retinal tear here. I referred this gentleman on to the eye clinic at Wrexham and just spoken to the gentleman this morning, and he's had laser treatment to seal this tear, which will hopefully prevent that from developing into a retinal detachment. So yeah, a perfect example of how the Optomap can save sight. So that's it. Have the Optomap done as part of your routine sight test, and if it's done this month, you'll be supporting Guide Dogs for the Blind as well. Diolch yn fawr iawn. Hwyl.